Hello, my
Hello,
friend.
teacher.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. That's good. What's your name? Tell me one more time. What's your name?
My name is Ginny.
Ginny, how do you spell it?
Ginny.
That's great. And how old are you, Ginny?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. That's amazing. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And China.
Yeah.
Good. That's great. Give me a high five. Are you ready to start? Are you ready to start? That's the pen. You ready to start? Yes or no? Yes, 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 no? Good. Okay. We have the photos, right?
Yeah.
Tell me
I have
who
it
is in the
to
photos.
Mom.
To mom.
It's my favorite now. It's very hungry.
Okay. Tell me, who is this, Ginny? Is this your
I
family?
don't know his name now.
Your family? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So in this photo, tell me please, who is this?
This is my daddy.
Your daddy. How is he feeling here?
Daddy is thirsty.
Thirsty. Okay. And who is this?
It's me.
No.
Yes.
Talking about this person. Who's this person?
This is my mommy.
How is your mommy feeling?
Mommy is cold.
Cold. And who is this?
It's me.
You, baby Ginny. Tell me, how is baby Ginny feeling?
I'm happy.
You're happy.
My birthday.
And are you hungry too?
No.
No? Are you sure?
I have mini eat.
You ate a bit, huh?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have. I'm eat.
Good. Okay, let's talk about the second photo, huh? Tell me please, who is this?
This is my me.
This is your cat. Okay. Who is next to you? Who is this?
This is my sister.
Your sister. Tell me please, how is your sister feeling?
Sister is
My sister.
hungry.
She is hungry.
Yeah.
Good. High five. And who is this?
This is my grandpapa.
Grandpapa. No problem. How is your grandpapa feeling?
Is hot.
Hot. Okay, and how are you today?
I'm
Hungry.
yeah.
Angry.
No.
So how are you?
I'm
Sleepy. How are
I'm
you?
poopy.
Okay. Thank you, Ginny. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.